Guys, this is gonna be a plant mail video unboxing of a plant that I've wanted for a while. It's not a bizarre plant. It's not like one of those expensive plants. It's not, but for me, it really is something that I really wanted to have for a very long time, and now I have it. So just keep watching. It's crazy. All right, so here's the plant. Here's the box I received in the mail, and first of all, I love the packaging. I got it from the Plant Farm on Etsy. If you guys are interested in the shop, it's the Plant Farm. First time I ordered from them. I've never ordered from them before, but this is the first time, and I like that it says fragile and it's live plants, so the mailman knows what it is. I don't really have an issue with my deliveries. Every time the mail person comes in, I really have no issues with it. So anyways, this is how it looks. It gives you a little information about the plant or about their shop. Gives me my invoice, and guys, there it is. I am enjoying the packaging so far. I'm very happy with it. But here is the plant. Okay. Hopefully you guys know what it is. If you guys read the title of the video, you guys probably know. So far the packaging, I really like the packaging. I see some roots on the bottom popping out. That's really good. It's a really good sign. Okay, it comes with a little rubber band, which I already took off. And then here is the plant. Okay guys, I'm gonna slide it down. Instead of going it up, I'm gonna take it down because I don't want to damage any leaves. Oh my god guys, here we go. I'm so excited. Yes! Oh my god, look at it. It's so nice, so cute and little. Alright guys, so this is a Monstera Adansonii or Adansoni, whatever you guys call it. I don't have proper pronunciation of all these plants, but look at her. It's so nice and pretty. And it comes with a little bamboo stick. I love when plants come in a bamboo stick. This is the second plant that I received from a plant mail that comes with a little bamboo stick. I really like it. So look at it. Okay, so let me do a close-up on the plant right here. So unfortunately, some of the leaves, well, two of the leaves came, the biggest leaf it's a little yellow and burnt, and then there's one over here too, a little bit burnt. But overall, the plant looks very healthy, and I really like it just looks very juicy and healthy. And it also has a little plant growing inside right there. It's giving me some new growth. I'm so happy with this plant, guys. So my overall experience with the Plant Farm from Etsy, I really like the plant. The packaging was really nice. The plant was nice and sturdy. Came with a bamboo stick. Like I said, I love when plants are placed with a bamboo stick for delivery because that gives the plant kind of more like a stabilization, so that it doesn't get tossed around in the box and it gets damaged. None of the leaves came in like cut in pieces or anything like from other shops I've purchased from before. This leaf, even though it's like yellow, it's or like complete. I'm so happy with this plant, guys. I'm just beyond excited. And so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you.